So, good evening, friends, and welcome on this special webinar for article assistant, who will be going to be a new article assistant, we can say. It's a special webinar of APC of articleship. This entire structure is by C. Nayan Kothari sir, very apt name for that session. So thank you so much, Nayan sir, first of all, for accepting our invitation for this session. And we are very thankful to you, sir, for this. So friends, CA articleship, we all know, is of around 3 years. Even sometimes it's more as well. It's the first step. Today you will learn about the introduction of articleship and what is the importance and how you can grow in your articleship of these 3 years. We have a very eminent chartered accountant from Mumbai, CA Jayesh Kala sir, a regional council member and a keynote speaker for today's webinar. We welcome you, sir, and thank you so much for accepting our invitation at very short notice as well. Sir is a very eminent chartered accountant practicing from last so many years, having partners in so many cities. A detailed introduction would like to request Shivam Sharma, a CA student and very passionate about stock market, a founder of Being Bullish, to introduce our today's chief guest, CA Jayesh Kala sir. So over to you, Shivam. Shivam, you are on mute. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this honor. So, good evening, everyone. My name is Shivam Sharma. I'm a founder of Being Bullish, and it's my honor and pleasure to introduce today's keynote speakers, CA Jayesh Kala sir and CA Nayan Kothari sir. Firstly, speaking about CA Jayesh Kala sir, he's a founder partner of the firm and has more than 20 years of experience in rendering corporate advisory services. He has handled several assignments relating to statutory audits of corporates, insurance companies, and banks. He has handled several assignments related to raising finance, restructuring, valuation, mergers, and amalgamation. He has more than 16 years of experience in the field of income tax, domestic and international. He renders advisory planning and compliance services for corporates and SMEs on income tax matters. He has extensive experience in representing cases before various appellate authorities, including Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. With this, I'd like to invite CA Jayesh Kala sir for today's session. And speaking about CA Nayan Kothari sir.
Later. First, we'll listen Jayesh sir. Would add one point here. Jayesh sir is a central statutory auditor for one of the biggest bank of India, Bank of Baroda. Sir is a very apt person to talk about articleship as well. So, would like to request Jayesh sir to address all our today's attendees, as they will be very soon join the articleship as well. So, over to you, sir.
Thank you, Viragji. Thank you very much, and thank you, Shivam, for your wonderful introduction.
Thank you so much, sir.
First of all, to let me compliment Virag Bhai for his what I can say is he's so passionate about entire structure of chartered accountancy that right from articleship till the practicing stage, he keeps track of each and everything. What is suitable at what particular time, he has knack of each and everything. Malab, he is a person who knows what to do, when to do, how to do, where to do. Let me once again compliment Virag Bhai for his wonderful presence of mind and wonderful programs what he have been managing from past so many years, and past 1 year in this lockdown period. So he has created a niche for himself. I believe he has created such a scenario for himself that many people, many chartered accountants, many article students have benefited because of his program. So well done, Virag Bhai, and we look forward to continue work with you. So whenever there is an invitation from my side, you can take it for granted that it is yes always.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Nayan bhai, I have heard about you. You had done fantastically well as a chairman of Baroda branch, and under your leadership, Baroda branch has grown very fast, and you have done lot of programs of which had benefited the chartered accountants and the members and the corporates alike. So fantastic work done by you, Nayan bhai, and we look forward for many more such programs which can benefit the members and industrialists at large. शिवम भाई, सबसे पहले तो मार्केट तो आप ही का चल रहा है, बीइंग बुलिश नाउ, यू कैन आल्सो गाइड अस हाउ टू क्रिएट wealth for yourself.
Portfolio.
Yes, definitely portfolio, and this is one of the thing which is to be taken into consideration while doing your articleship. See, articleship is I can say it is one of the best thing which our institute has, and जिसने भी ये 3 साल का articleship diligently एक कमिटमेंट लेके पूरा कर दिया, I can give you in writing as of now that whoever has completed 3 years of articleship dedicatedly with proper commitment will never be a failure in his life. You become CA or you don't become CA, that is definitely something else. But even if you have completed 3 years of articleship, whatever may be the outcome, but if you have completed your articleship diligently and commitment with full commitment dedication, then you will never be an unsuccessful person, that I can bet on it. अपने आर्टिकलशिप में जो सिखाया जाता है, जो एक राइट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, मतलब आई नो माय पीरियड, I was undergraduate when I started my articleship. So when I went to the office as an article, so it was like that कि ना तो मेरे पहनने का ठिकाना था, मतलब I had gone with half sleeves with some कोई टी शर्ट या जीन्स पहन के चला गया था, चप्पल्स पहन के चला गया था. तो सबसे पहले मुझे वहीं पे टोक दिया गया, मतलब एंट्रेंस पे रिसेप्शन जब पूछे तो उसने बोला कि आप क्या करना है, बोला आर्टिकलशिप करना है. बोला आर्टिकलशिप करना है या घूमने आए हो? This was the first wording which was told to me by the receptionist. So I thought कि मैं बोला आर्टिकलशिप से मेरे कपड़ों का क्या लेना देना है, मैं तो मतलब आर्टिकलशिप तो मैं I thought it was a application of mind and how you can do the work. बोला नहीं, this is one of the ethics which has to be maintained, because when you are approaching the client, your appearance is very much important. First impression sometimes becomes the last impression. So whenever you are doing something, you have to see to it that your ethics are perfectly all right. So that was the first lesson which I learned while I started my articleship. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे न तो कभी बैंक का फॉर्म भरा था, न कभी बैंक का मैंने पे इन स्लिप भरा था. And now as Virag bhai told, I am auditing the one of the largest bank of India. I am signing the balance sheet. So that is a transformation which has happened just because I consider myself कि whenever articleship period में मैंने मेरा पूरा dedication commitment के साथ काम किया था. And same thing I'm expecting from you all. See, once you have entered the chartered accountancy course, I can say that you all have now become a brand ambassador for the chartered accountant in general. Whatever you are saying, whatever you are doing, whatever you are thinking becomes the brand image ki bhai ye as a chartered accountant he is thinking, as a chartered accountant he is doing something, as a chartered accountant he is planning something. Although you are at your articleship stage or you are at your studying stage, but for general public aap jab kisi se introduction karte ho ya koi aapka introduction karata hai, so it is like that ki he is so and he is doing CA. एक बार आपको सीए का टैग लग गया तो सामने वाले का इंप्रेशन ऐसे आता है, नहीं नहीं ये सीए है तो ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंटेलेक्चुअल पर्सन. सो आप जब अगर कभी किसी को लूज टॉक्स करते हो या आप कभी किसी को कुछ बोलते हो कि नहीं यार ऐसा है, वेरी लूज टॉक्स, तो ये मतलब इट इज टेलिंग such kind of thing which is not expected from us by the society, because we are considered to be one of the elite class of the society. So you have to bear in your mind that whenever you are especially amongst the close contacts or amongst the group, you have to ensure that your wordings will have a great impact, and maybe आप जो बोल रहे हो शायद किसी के दिमाग में सेट हो जाए वो चीज. तो just take into consideration that now when you have started your CA course, you have become a brand ambassador of chartered accountant fraternity as a whole. तो आपको बहुत ध्यान रखना है उस चीज के लिए. The importance is definitely by and large, lot of importance is there for articleship. You go to meet various corporates, various banks, various investigative agencies. You will be meeting, wherein you will have to represent your skills, or that skills is going to come only and only by reading. आपको आपका होमवर्क करना ही पड़ेगा. It is not like that कि आपका articleship period timing is from, let's say, from 11 to 6 or 10:30 to 5:30. It is not a 7 hours or 8 hours job. It is 24 hours job. आपने आर्टिकलशिप कर लिया, आपने ऑफिस ज्वाइन कर लिया, उसके बाद आपको घर पे आके you will have to go through the various accounting standards, various auditing standards, various laws, corporate law, everything you will have to go through. It is not that you have to, although you may be specializing in one particular area, like you are specializing in income tax or corporate tax, but then also you should have knowledge of each and everything, because nowadays it has become a totally what I can say, means people are expecting that chartered accountant should give advice relating to each and everything. At least he should have knowledge. When you are representing a case of income tax, you cannot say that the corporate tax, I am not looking after it, so I will not be able to guide you about corporate tax. No, you cannot do that. You have to have basic understanding of corporate tax. You may be specialist in income tax, you may be specialist in corporate tax, but you have to have knowledge of each and everything, and that will come only by pure dedication, by full-fledged, full-hearted working of articleship, and for continuously studying. आप study तो आप छोड़ ही नहीं सकते हो. You have to be constantly learning and studying, because laws are ever changing, and you have to have grip of each and every law which is there, which is important as far as the general practice is concerned. The foundation, I believe everybody must have, everybody will be starting your articleship. So choosing an articleship, choosing a CA firm is also equally important. When I have taken some interviews of chartered accountants when they qualify as a chartered accountant and when they come for an interview. So मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन ये रहता है कि भाई आपने आपके आर्टिकलशिप पीरियड में क्या किया. So if say कि भाई my articleship period I had taken exposure in income tax, or I had taken exposure in finance, or I have taken exposure in corporate tax. So when they come, I have a background ki now he has taken exposure in income tax, so he will be good in income tax. So I'll be posting him in income tax department. So that is importance of articleship. You should not have कि आप आज सोच रहे हो कि you have to go to ये finance field. आपको जाके 3 साल के बाद you have to set your career as a project finance specialist, or as a income tax person, or like Shivam, you are thinking of equity market. In that case, you have to choose your articleship, your CA firm, which is aligning with your future thoughts. You cannot have you are thinking of equity market and you are doing income tax matters. You cannot do that. You should not do that. You should avoid doing that, otherwise you will be wasting your 3 years, and this foundation is very, very important. So if Shivam is thinking of practicing in a equity market, then he should select a CA firm which is in line with what he is thinking of. He should select some CA who are into financing or who are into capital market advisory. So that will align with your future thoughts, and in that case you can excel in your life. So this is just a small thing which I wanted to have interaction with you, and definitely we'll keep on interacting. विराग भाई बुलाते रहेंगे और हम आते रहेंगे और हम ऐसे ही गाइड करते रहेंगे. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, and congratulations also for your appointment. You're elected as a treasurer for WRC of ICAI for the coming term. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you. So would like to now request Shivam to introduce our today's guest speaker, CA Nayan Kothari sir, a past chairman, Baroda branch. Over to you, Shivam.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. It's my pleasure to introduce CA Nayan Kothari, sir. He is a postgraduate of commerce from MS University of Baroda and a fellow member of ICAI. He has also completed post-qualification certificates of ICAI, that is Forensic Auditing and Fraud Detection, and certificate courses on concurrent of banks. He is a practicing chartered accountant based at Baroda since 2006. His areas of practice include internal audits of SMEs and corporate, consultancy in areas of fraud investigation and forensic accounting, business restructuring and corporate finance planning, debt and equity. He's also doing consultancies in areas of taxation and company law matters. He was a managing committee member of Baroda branch of WIRC of ICA for 8 years and presently past chairman of Baroda branch of WIRC of ICAI. He has held positions of chairman, vice chairman, secretary, treasurer of Baroda branch of WIRC of ICAI, and has also been the treasurer of has also been the chairman of Baroda branch of Vikasa. He had been convener of Baroda CP Study Circle for the year 2010-11. He was also co-opted member of Banking, Insurance and Pension Committee, Editorial Committee and Exposure Draft Committee of WIRC of ICI in the past. He was a member of CII's Central Gujarat Zonal Panel of Economic Affairs, Taxation and Legal. He has worked as a lecturer at Faculty of Commerce of MSU Baroda and taught subjects like finance management and taxation. With this, I'd like to introduce and invite CNN Kothari sir to please share his views today on this session. Sir, the session is entirely yours. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shivam. Sir, before you start, sir, would like to tell everyone that Nayan Kothari sir is very famous among the youngsters and students as well from last so many years. Sir is always taking the session in Baroda and as well as many branches across India for members as well as students at large. And I was privileged to be a member at Baroda during sir's chairmanship for around 2 years at my job at Baroda in a public sector undertaking. So would like to request sir to take the proceeding ahead, sir. All yours.
Thank you very much. Respected Jayesh Bhai, Virag and Shivam, it's really pleasure and privilege to be on this platform because this is now no more a seminar organized by Virag, but it has been one of the most famous platform into the CA fraternity nationwide. And Virag, correct me if I'm wrong, that many people from abroad also must be joining these sessions and gaining their knowledge. So as Jayesh Bhai rightly mentioned, in this lockdown, before institute and everybody started giving the knowledge and coming on the platforms, compliment goes to you, Virag, that in such a large way the things have come up. And as you rightly said, we know each other since you were there at Baroda, and I really cherish good memories with him. He's a very dedicated person for the institute, for the cause of the local branches whenever he was posted earlier. So all the very best, because you are supposed to do much more things ahead, right? And compliments, of course, for the things which you have done. Yes, by we have also met various times at WIRC meetings and all, and compliments for the coming year and the coming elections also. Shivam, meeting to you for the very first time, but the being bullish sounds very interesting. Would definitely like to know much about the same. And if you can even interact with the students of our Baroda branch and share how somebody student can think of starting of something. क्या किया, कैसे कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, टिप लेंगे नहीं लेंगे, वो बहुत बात की बात है, बट ये स्टेज पर बैठे कुछ पूछना और उसको एग्जीक्यूशन में रखना, वही काबिले तारीफ चीज है शिवम आपके लिए. So thank you very much all of you once again, and where just like to just take that point forward about our articleship, just the topic which was something like what we call it importance of articleship. That was the point which we were thinking. So to make it a little more interesting and reframe the topic, as you can see in the screen, I think the screen is visible now, Virag? Yeah. So
yes, sir, visible.
Just a minute. Can we minimize this? Okay. So instead, that importance of the articleship, I thought it to be just simply discussing with few people few basic areas of the articleship, the ABCD of the articleship, because I very strongly believe that, and Anybody can prove, including Jayesh by sitting here working on such a large scale, that 3 years of the hardworking article training, he is equal to a 30 years of successful professional, either in a job or in a practice. तो जो 3 साल है, it is going to serve as, gear.
Sir, you are not audible, sir. No, sir. No, not yet, sir. Not yet, sir. Not yet. Sir, you can use the earphone now. Yes, sir. Audio sign came, sir. Can you speak something, sir?
Audible now it is?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please continue, sir. Screen you have to share, sir. Screen is not visible, sir.
I don't know what had gone wrong for that.
No issue, sir.
Yeah. So we were just discussing that this 3 years of the articleship is going to be the base for your 30 years of, whether you want to work for 30 years more or less than that, everywhere the particular articleship and whatever you have done in this articleship is really going to play its own important and very vital role, right? And that not only me but everybody over here can always vouch on the same. So AI and the methodology in which these particular articleship thing has been designed, or importance of a chartered accountant. So this one particular slide which is there in front of us always this is the thing which always, or it is one of the very important word which is mentioned over here. And whenever I had been speaking either at career counseling or maybe with the article students or anybody, this particular slide I always like to show to everybody. It's taken from one of the presentation of the institute only, which talks about our chartered accountancy course. What is that? So they have mentioned a cut above the rest, and we, the Indian chartered accountants, are the best. I do believe it. I do have experienced the same. And friends, compliments to you all because you are going to be part of this very soon in the coming few years by again coming back to the thing, doing this wonderful studies, practical and theory, well balanced and designed at the institute's end. So that is one point, friends, very, very important, because you are becoming part of this wonderful journey of chartered accountancy. And in that, your articleship has something very, very important role to play. We all are targeting the success in our life, right or wrong, right? Everybody is targeting the success for the life. I would further like to show a couple of more slides before we get into the story or the point related to success. Can you see photographs of few very, very successful people, maybe in the field of music, politics, spirituality, industries, and many more. Everybody, those who had put name of our country onto the international level. One more slide. Can you see the photographs of few very, very leading, important chartered accountants who put their name, our institute's name, our brand chartered accountant on the national and international front. Yes, there could be a photograph of president of the institute, Virag Bhai, Jayesh sir, and anybody like this. But the important or the point common which I wanted to raise or ask to you is one photo which is missing in the center of both the slide. One photo which is missing in center of both the slide. Whose photograph? किसके फोटो के लिए ये बीच में हमने जगह रखा है? My dear friend, none other than nobody except you. ये लेवल का सक्सेस हमें आगे जाके लेना है, right or wrong? You agree to it or not, friends? So this is what is the level of success we want to achieve and really make a big difference to the society, to the people, and everybody who are connected to us, who had been part of our journey till now and in future when we are going to be a very good successful chartered accountants, right? So friends, this is what is the success which everybody is targeting for their future life. And I, before get into the more details or the technical part of the presentation, really wish whosoever is listening to this today, his or her photograph shall be here in front of us on one fine day. And starting from our founder of this, Virag Bhai, or many other people, those who had been on this platform on the various occasions. शुरुआत सक्सेस की कहां से होगी? आगे तो बढ़ना है, आगे तो जाना है, कहाँ जाना है वो भी शायद मैंने सोच लिया है. I thought where I want to see myself, that particular photograph. In between that particular photograph of the successful people, I want to see myself. For that, what do I have to do? मुझे करना क्या पड़ेगा? शुरुआत. First step, right? First step maybe was choosing a commerce, going to your 11th class, going to your CSE, PTCA foundation. Today, in the intermediate end, one important step of the life, important decision of the life of selecting a good CA firm, doing your articleship very rigorously, very thoroughly, and tomorrow, as being chartered accountant, making difference to the society, to your employer, to your client. That is nothing but going to be the success with which I started my point or the presentation before you, right? Further, so यहाँ से आपको एक फर्म डिटर्मिनेशन के साथ शुरुआत करनी है. दोस्तों, काला जी ने भी आर्टिकलशिप के बारे में बताया, विराग जी भी वही बात कर रहे हैं, शिवम इज ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम, इंक्लूडिंग माई सेल्फ. We are not the, kind of doing the advertisement of the institute or the articleship. But friends, out of that articleship, we got to know what is supposed to be done, what is not supposed to be done. How should I be presenting myself to you, myself to the client, myself to the banker, myself to the income tax authorities? Not only the theory, but also the practicals. Rather, I'll say like that, the theory which I'm learning into the books, how would I be converting into the practicals? That thing is being taught to me in the articles. I'll rephrase my sentence, not being taught to me. That thing is given as an opportunity to me to learn. हाँ दोस्तों, you are, I'm being a little blunt, harsh and clear on it. You are not coming to a coaching institute. You are coming for a training. कोचिंग में क्या होगा? आज 50 बच्चे हैं मेरे पास, I'm having a
Sir, you are not audible again. Yes, sir. Sir, not again, sir. Not audible, sir.
Virag bhai,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible. Please
I'm
continue.
joining from the
Repeat
phone
of
and when I
minutes, sir.
keep the PPT on from the laptop. Will it be okay?
What, sir?
If I start from mobile phone,
A mobile audio will come, sir. Mobile, and you can show the presentation from laptop. Both the
yeah, I
login
want.
possible, sir. Please,
So I
please,
have
sir.
those
Yes.
problems on the mobile, but I can see myself as a presenter.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are self muted in mobile. Please unmute in mobile, sir. In mobile, please unmute, sir. Sir, we are still self-muted in mobile.
There in the mobile.
Mobile is there, sir. Login. You have to unmute yourself in mobile as well.
Okay.
Yeah, perfect.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Please continue, sir. You can come on screen as well if possible, sir, from laptop, and you can talk with the mobile phone, sir.
Can I have the mobile phone video being used, or there I don't have the backend?
No. Video will only from laptop, sir.
Perfect, no problem.
You can on camera from laptop and you can speak from mobile, sir.
Got it. Okay, so is it audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, little, I mean, slow. Please increase the volume, sir.
Yeah, is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Perfect. Please continue, sir.
Great. Yeah, so we were at what point we discussed in the earlier slide. I don't know from where the audio got
1 minute, sir.
stopped.
Last 1 minute. Yeah.
So from here, I was just trying to show you the importance of the article. It is nothing but a fantastic Guru Shishya Parampara which India has. Even the Indian scriptures has talked about what श्रुति एंड स्मृति जो हमने सुना हमारी स्मृति में रखा और आगे की generations को we kept on telling this because there are certain things which cannot be written in the books, which cannot be spoken on a formal platform, but can be learned by experience and shared mouth to ear in the office or to the people those who are there with me in the training. So like this there are a lot of things to learn in this article, friends, believe, and that is the great opportunity to learn it. As I told you, if you are doing the training for medical or mechanic बनने के लिए, so you would need a bike, you would need a person to learn this. So here you are having balance sheet audit करना, everybody of client of your boss, you are allowed to do mistake at his cost and learn. Who gives? Nobody. Then what is my role, what is my responsibility? I take care of not doing mistakes. Sir, what if I do mistake? Allowed to do mistake provided you recover from them today itself, learn and don't repeat them tomorrow.
दोस्तों 365 इंटू 3 1000 से ज्यादा दिन है. More than 1000 days, more than 1000 mistakes you can do and learn out of it. 1000 is an exaggerated amount, sir. If you do 100 mistakes, learn out of it and learn not to repeat and solve those mistakes, your remaining career absolutely shall be taken care of. I firmly believe it. लाइफ में जब साइकिल चलाना भी शुरू किया था या स्कूटर चलाना शुरू किया था, क्लच कैसे छोड़ना है, that used to be a bigger challenge, and you learn out of it, and today successfully able to drive vehicles, right? So wherever you see there is a great what we call parampara of trainings, may it be spiritual thing, political thing, or the sports whom we really should and are believing to be our ideals, right? So based on this, if I do great work today in my articleship, my tomorrow will definitely have such a, increasing graph. आज जितना अच्छा मेहनत हमने कर लिया, फ्यूचर उतना ही शाइन करेगा. और certain things are there into the articleship which can only be learned at articleship, which can only be learned being an article trainee, right? After becoming chartered accountant, I cannot go and ask somebody that how to respond to this notice or how to do the filing of certain pages. I really don't know, and I'm not able to get out of those, big bunch of the papers which document is needed to. दोस्त, आर्टिकलशिप में ये सीखना था आपने, आपने नहीं सीखा. There are very small petty jobs to be learned in the articleship which you can learn only in the articleship. It's all about a teamwork. Articleship is all about a teamwork. लिख लेना. क्यों? You may be individually brilliant, a rank holder. I have due respect and regards from you to you, but आप कितने भी ब्रिलियंट हो, आपने अभी पढ़ा होगा कि भाई हम will be able to do some 65 tax audit, will be able to do some 20 company audit, 10 big, 10 small. In that thing, April, May, year closer would be done. Auditing would start of either a whole year or maybe of the half year. Then the auditing will start. Balance sheet would be prepared. Discussions would happen, and I have to complete the deadline for not only one or two companies, but for such 20 odd companies. If I'm a practicing one, so 10 odd companies individually, can I do that? No. For that, a teamwork is needed. A great teamwork is needed. What I have to do? I am an article trainee. Let my boss manage the team. I absolutely agree. But what you have to do is be a good team member. Be a good team member for 3 years of your life. Remaining life you will be a good captain, team leader. सीधा टीम लीडर, सीधा कैप्टन बनने को नहीं मिलेगा. For that, you are required to be a good team member, right? In the earlier test series, our captain was not there due to the social cause. Somebody as a team member doing exceptionally good was provided an opportunity to lead the team, right? So be a good consistent team member. Nobody can stop you from being a team leader for tomorrow. जो बंदा अच्छा टीम मेंबर नहीं बन पाएगा उसे दिक्कत होनी ही होनी है, और जो टीम लीडर है ऑलरेडी उसको अगले सालों में when you become a senior, super senior, third year article, you are allowed to give leadership to other people. नहीं, ये ऑडिट लास्ट ईयर मैंने किया था, मैं ही करूंगा. क्यों? दूसरा ऑडिट नहीं है, 3 साल आप एक ही ऑडिट करोगे. आपको आपकी कैपेबिलिटी पे डाउट है कि दूसरा ऑडिट नहीं कर पाओगे. मेक अ स्पेस फॉर अदर्स, क्लाइंब अ स्टेप अहेड. Definitely you yourself would also be going up, and at the office, in the environment where you work, you shall be able to have a great team of people with you. Can you see this teamwork? Teamwork is the key of success into an office. Why today Virag Bhai is able to do this thing? Because of the team like Shivam and various other people, visible, non-visible on the screen, are behind this particular network. Why Jayesh Bhai is able to do this much of the thing, or why me able to do this much of the thing? My office is working, my partners are working, and I'm able to spare time with you all. So teamwork is the key of the success. You believe it or not, accept this. You need people to understand various subject, compile various documents, report on various aspects. Individually, I cannot do everything. ऑडिट का बेसिक प्रिंसिपल है मेकर एंड चेकर. एक जन जो खुद काम करेगा उसके काम की चेकिंग कोई दूसरा बंदा करेगा. So you must have a maker and checker on the other hand. There is also team required. So start believing from today into a power of teamwork. You will see wonders. And if you have worked into a great team, when you start your own profession, you would be always targeting to, and you would be always ensuring to have built a great team. जब तक आपने एक अच्छी टीम में काम ही नहीं किया होगा, आप अच्छी टीम बना कैसे पाओगे? Ask question to yourself. I hope everybody is able to listen, understand, and get into the flow with which we are discussing. As we cannot see the other faces over here, so I just assume the things are moving into the flow. If anything technical or something happens, Shivam or Virag bhai, kindly draw my attention to it.
Sure,
Right?
sure.
Teamwork again. Teamwork is what? Ability to work together towards a common goal. It's the fuel that allows common people to attain uncommon goals. सबसे बड़ी बात ये है, individually I may be an average person, but 5 average person together can always do above average job. That is what is nothing but the teamwork. Abhi, keeping this background motivation in mind, I'm coming to few things relating to the articleship in particular. In next some whatever number of minutes is allowed to me, I'll be taking you through the articleship and a few concepts, if time permits, of the auditing, which you must keep in the background of your mind. Because audit के बारे में मैं हमेशा एक शब्द बोलता हूँ, हमेशा एक वाक्य बोलता हूँ. We chartered accountants only believe in God. Rest all we audit. I, as a chartered accountant, won't believe anybody except the Almighty. Rest all things I will audit. I will vouch. I'll ask for an evidence. That's called nothing but which you have crammed even in your auditing is professional skepticism. सीधी बात हो गई, राइट? समझ में आ रहा है ऑडिटिंग? बस ऑडिटिंग इस तरीके से सीखेंगे, थोड़े बहुत कॉन्सेप्ट सीए के ऑफिस के, और आपका रोल 3 साल के लिए मेरे ऑफिस में, सीए के ऑफिस में क्या रहेगा, इतनी ही बातें हमें करनी है. What is articleship? Is nothing but talking about or gaining the great experience which will be building your further future. कौन सा experience, कैसा experience? The something which you have learned into a book, how it's being practically implemented. Because in a book, I start from, I earn the income, I do the compilation of gross total income, net total income, tax liability, less deduction, less advance tax TDS and tax payable. From where does it start in the office? Sir, tax itna bharna hai. I want to pay this much of the tax, but I want to show this much of the profit. This is my sales, this is my purchase, remaining you manage. इससे ज्यादा फॉर्मल प्लेटफॉर्म पे मैं नहीं बोल सकता. बट फ्रॉम book, in book it starts from A to Z. Sometime in office I have to go from Z to A, and when my earlier colleague had done some work yesterday and not came today, I have to jump in at M and decide from M to Z or M to A where I may have to move. So हम किताबों में जो पढ़ रहे हैं, हमारे बढ़िया से बढ़िया सिलेबस जो इंस्टीट्यूट के बीओएस ने डिजाइन किया है, उसके अंदर जो पढ़ रहे हैं उसको प्रैक्टिकली इंप्लीमेंट करके उसमें से भविष्य में कैसे करियर बना के अर्थोपार्जन करेंगे, पैसे कमाएंगे, हाउ वुड बी मेकिंग money out of it as a practicing or a working chartered accountant. That base is being created. A fresh CA is considered to be a job ready. Sir, after getting a job in a campus or anywhere, what would be the designation mentioned immediately after your name? Minimum to minimum, assistant manager accounts, right? And our other colleague from the other profession, I won't even name them, to which sometime we are having a very false competition, they would be getting an appointment letter as what? Management training. सर ट्रेनिंग तो मैंने 3 साल यहाँ कर लिया, आई एम जॉब रेडी, आई एम मार्केट रेडी, आई एम रेडी टू सर्व माय क्लाइंट, आई एम रेडी टू सर्व माय एम्प्लॉयर आफ्टर completing academic part of my CA curriculum and practical part of my CA curriculum, that is the article, right? So when you start job, you would be having a minimum manager's designation, having a team of 2 3 4 5 people working below you. And if you start profession 2 years from now, we who all are the senior to you, maybe 10 15 20 years, me and your signature shall be having the same weightage, equal weightage. That is what is the beauty of this course. And why के बाद क्या लिखा है, इसका रीजन क्या है, क्यों मुझे डे 1 से मार्केट रेडी माना जाता है? क्योंकि मैंने 3 साल अगर किया है अच्छा सा आर्टिकलशिप, तो जैसे जयेश जी ने भी बोला था, what I ask, even I, when I would take an interview of chartered accountant, a fresh or into the 0 to 5 years of the career, I only check where did you do your articleship and what you handle into the articleship. Today itself, even I took an interview of an employee for our office who was not a chartered accountant, but having some postgraduate and some other course done half. So I only asked what you have done and what level of the Excel or Tally or this kind of the thing you know. So these all knowledge and practical application which you gather in the articleship is going to give you a good platform and take off after you become a chartered accountant. Other profession, there you have got this training after the studies get over. Here we have got along with our studies at your boss's client, आपकी गलती का खामियाजा अगर हुआ तो वो भुगतेगा, आपको तो काम करना है, गलती करके उसको सुधार के आगे बढ़ना है. That is what is the beauty of this particular article, right? What we also learn along with this: teamwork, attitude, discipline, right? Communication, socio-economic environment. We do learn to respect and understand cultural differences. Yes, people at Bombay doesn't have that problem of cultural differences, the cosmopolitan city, but into the other cities where my parent put me into a school where my neighbor's son or my uncle's son is going, right? Articleship, it's not like that. You would be put along with the people from different socio-economic, linguistic, food habit and different background. So that's where I get exposed to the cultural and other differences. I also have to learn respecting that, incorporating, accept that into my belief system. इतनी सारी चीजें सीखने को मिलती है, अच्छी बुरी दोनों, being very honest, in this articleship if we do it gracefully. पढ़ाई करना ही है, कोचिंग भी आपको जाना है, ऑनलाइन क्लास भी भरना है, but friends, don't do anything during that office hour or at the cost of the office.
So, sir, you are not audible. The system is muted, sir. Self-muted. Yeah.
Yeah. यहाँ पर जो काम किया होगा वो आगे जाके बड़ा काम लगेगा. Recapitulating immediately, we have got a great experience, and that's the reason that day you become chartered accountant, you are market ready. ठीक है, and we learn as a byproduct a lot of things like discipline, time management, filing. बॉस, मैं तो ऐसा बोलता हूँ आर्टिकलशिप के बारे में, you are the boss in absence of your boss, and you are also a peon in absence of the peon. कौन से काम पे ध्यान देना है? प्यून वाले। बॉस तो बाकी की जिंदगी में बनना ही है, बट प्यून क्या गलती करता है, क्या गड़बड़ी करता है और मुझे कौन सी गोली खिलाता है, वो मुझे समझ में आ गया तो कल मेरा क्लर्क, मेरा प्यून, मेरा आर्टिकल, मेरा जूनियर मुझे बना नहीं पाएगा when I be in this chair of the boss. So be very, very careful in learning every small nitty-gritties of the articleship. But immediately you would have started jotting down this list which is in front of you. कि सर बहुत प्रॉब्लम आते हैं आपको, तो क्या खाली कोट बोर्ड पहन के बैठ के बोलना है ना? I know this kind of the problems you are also having. My boss is not so great, boring stereotype पर हर महीने में तो जीएसटी के रिटर्न ही भरता हूँ। भाई गवर्नमेंट को चाहिए तो भरना पड़ेंगे, हर महीने भरते हो तो भी। आर यू एबल टू डू इट विद 100% एक्यूरेसी? No. We keep, see, be in an organization, a mid-sized organization where you have got few different verticals of the work and number of the article at least 6, 7, 10, so that you shall also have a rotation into the work which you do and different flavor of the work you would be learning. So just because my relative or my father's friend is a chartered accountant, I should join the firm, should not be an approach. Go understand, as sir said, आपको क्या बनना है, उस प्रकार का फॉर्म सिलेक्ट करो, आपको कौन से विषय में इंटरेस्ट है, उस प्रकार का फॉर्म सिलेक्ट करो and start shaping your future. High expectation, quality of the work without adequate training. Yes, it happens. So I'll have to be self-starter and start doing self-learning, right? Nobody had gone into the coaching class for uh, uh, posting a good post on Instagram or using Paytm or using Swiggy and getting more discounts. Had we done the coaching for this? No, never. So why you need sometime the coaching for doing all these things? खुद से पढ़ के सेल्फ स्टार्टर बन के मैं आगे हमेशा जा। Long hours of office, it's a part of the game. At least in the season or in those particular few months where we really need to have some extra hours. Not enough time for studies. Friends, it's all about balancing between the two, and that is the part and partial of the game. Not enough time for any kind of recreation. Yes दोस्तों, हम ग्रेजुएशन नहीं कर रहे, हम सीए कर रहे हैं। हमें अकाउंट्स क्लर्क नहीं बनना है, हमें सीएफओ बनना है। सो आई may have to balance between the two and sometime sacrifice the one, right? I didn't say that any of these issues are wrong. आप कहीं पे भी गलत हो, मेरी ऐसी जरा भी बात नहीं। That's why in a bold I have mentioned all these issues are often genuine. But it's you, only you, who can solve this issue and make a successful articleship for yourself. आप नहीं काम करोगे, so I got a people to work with me, for me, right? आप आपके करियर के लिए काम कर रहे हो, एक इतनी सोच बनाना चालू करो. First step in this process would be to accept some fundamental truth. क्योंकि दोस्तों कई सारी बातें होती है आर्टिकलशिप के बारे में, ऑफिस के बारे में, ऑफिस जाने के बाद ऑफिस के बारे में, gossips and what not. But yes, your boss has also gone through this rigorous articleship into the days and era when everything was manual. लाइन में जाके खड़े रहने का, मुंबई जैसे सिटी में 4 दिशा में 4 इनकम टैक्स ऑफिस है, एक साथ दो जगह एक दिन में जाके आने का, वो काम उसने भी किया है क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. So he also understand you. May not be friendly sometimes. See, everybody doesn't have a great communication skill. You cannot compare your boss with your teacher. टीचर को टीचिंग स्किल है इसलिए वो टीचिंग कर रहा है, बॉस के पास वर्किंग स्किल है इसलिए वो अपना ऑफिस खोल के बैठा है. So you can't expect a boss to be a teacher like your teacher doesn't teaching into a coaching class or a video lecture. Everybody won't have that great style of teaching, but he has got equal knowledge as your teacher. Myself would have to take that knowledge from him, क्योंकि मुझे आगे जाके अच्छा सीए बनना है, right? So nobody ever said that becoming a chartered accountant is a cakewalk. आपको पहले से बोला गया था हार्ड वर्क है, आपने चूज किया है, हम पूरा सपोर्ट सिस्टम प्रोवाइड करेंगे, बट अल्टीमेटली आगे जाके मेहनत तो किसको करना है, आपको ही करना। समझ में आ रही है बात? सो दैट्स वेयर एंड दैट इज व्हाट फॉर आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल. इट वाज ऑलवेज इन्वॉल्व हार्ड वर्क, समटाइम रिपीटेटेड फेलियर, मे टू मे वाया नवंबर होते रहेगा, इस बार तो बीच में फैब भी आ गया, long hours, but essentially the processes remain the same, and all of us, you are aware about this when you decided that you want to be a chartered accountant. So there is no sense in complaining. कई बार दुख होता है, कंटाला आता है. I do have a low feeling at that time. Look at those faces of successful people. Look at your boss. Which car he uses and how does he come and what he has achieved in that 5, 10, 15 years of time. If he can, why can't I? Just get little self-motivated when you start feeling low and be on the path of your own dream one more time. Truth is that you want to be at the same place where you are looking at your boss today, and that desire working toward fulfilling that goal, that all matters, right? दोस्तों, मैं आर्टिकलशिप की बात करने वाला हूँ, ऑडिटिंग की बात करने वाला हूँ आप तक, बट जब तक एक एटीट्यूड बिल्टअप नहीं होगा तब तक आर्टिकलशिप के बारे में चाहे कितना ही अच्छा बोल लो, हमारी उसके प्रति एक एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं आएगी. दैट इज द रीजन विराग भाई, शिवम एंड ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स, आई हैड बीन मोस्ट टाइम टेलिंग यू अबाउट दिस कि हमें क्या करना है, कौन से नजरिए से करना है, एंड दैट्स वेयर द एंटायर गेम चेंजेस. आज मैंने और मेरे कलीग ने साथ आर्टिकलशिप किया था. बोथ ऑफ अस आर सक्सेसफुल इन द डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन. somebody and similarly everybody learned from the same school. Today you are doing CA inter and some of your friend has just started a petty job, miscellaneous kind of a job. Why? Because everybody has got different attitude. Opportunity were equal. आपके नजरिए, आपके हार्डवर्क ने आपको एक जगह पर लाके बिठाया. So यहाँ से और कितना आगे, in which speed, pace and direction you want to go, that you can only do and make difference, can do wonders, right? So that is the first step to accept the fundamental truth. Can you see the small picture into this? How the problem which you are carrying in on your head, if you start rolling down, becomes an opportunity. What happens is not important. How we take what had happened is important. If you accept the fundamental truth that you'll start looking at articuleship as an opportunity, believe me. Yes, opportunity to learn, do new things practically at, as I've said correctly, somebody else's cost. An opportunity to make errors and learn out of that at somebody else's cost. You will not come across such opportunity in your life again. You know a peculiar thing about opportunity, that they always look bigger going than they are coming. So don't let the opportunity grow. Grab those opportunity and get best out of these 3 years of articles. कोई ऐसी लंबी चौड़ी कहानी या भाषण नहीं देना है, but still certain do's and don'ts to very quickly get into the details. Be courteous, cooperative, professional. दोस्ती चाय पीते समय शाम को, during the office no, and no friendship ever with the client or client staff. Ask question about anything, required clarification. आज मैं हमेशा एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि भाई फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ द आर्टिकलशिप और मे बी द फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट आई वाज सेंट टू डू द स्टॉक ऑडिट. आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग द काउंटिंग ऑफ द बॉक्सेस. इन द इवनिंग व्हेन आई मेट माय मेट, व्हेन आई मेट माय फादर, ही आस्क्ड मी क्या करके आए. अरे क्या आर्टिकलशिप, आई जस्ट काउंटेड द बॉक्सेस टुडे. Actually I counted the boxes, but I didn't had a clarity why did we count the box. The moment you get that clarity that why do I count the box, what does this for work done by me is going to help in conclusion of the audit assignment. Friend, inventory stock is something very important part of the balance sheet. For that, you have got to separate standards on auditing, standards on accounting. Caro requires a comment on the same. Tax audit requires a comment on the same. That means it is something very important. And that's the reason the company has selected an independent firm of the chartered accountant to do the stock count, stock audit methodology, to audit the methodology and process of the maintenance and management of the stock, and your firm is going to give the audit report of the same. And you being the junior article of the year one, day one, is asked to do at some sample or maybe 100% counting of the stock line there. तो जो पहला काम है, शुरुआत जो है वो आपसे हो रही है. So have a clarity of the work you are doing. So sometimes all it might not look clerical or be punctual, be proactive. आपको पता है कल या मार्च के अंदर हमारे ऑफिस में एडवांस टैक्स का कंप्लायंस आएगा. थोड़ा नॉलेज दे लो एडवांस टैक्स के बारे में एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दी सेम. परिस्थिति, सिचुएशन, ड्यू डेट के आने से पहले इफ आई स्टार्ट प्लानिंग फॉर द सेम, just being a proactive would help me a lot. Diligently and faithfully serve to your employer. Maintain the work diary. Mention everything into the same as per that guidance of the Board of Studies. Follow the regulations of the Chartered Accounting regulation. Take responsibility for the work done during the practical training. Observe the highest degree of discipline. Follow the rules and regulation of the firm. Keep secret of everything which you come across, of your office, of your client, because confidentiality is one of the strongest pillar on which our profession is standing today. मैं हमेशा ये एग्जांपल देता हूँ, आज कोक और पेप्सी दोनों के बीच में ग्लोबली कंपटीशन चल रहा है. पेप्सोडेंट और कोलगेट दोनों के बीच में ग्लोबली कंपटीशन चल रही है. कैन दे हैव और विल दे हैव और शैल दे हैव द सेम लॉयर arguing for both of them? No, never. But shall they have the same chartered accountant firm doing their work? Yeah, maybe a different signing partner, but same firm, because one would say that yes, this firm in the India knows FMCG sector well. Why not to employ the same firm for doing work of our FMCG company? Although because he is now consulting the another leader of this, right? So this is what is possible only because of this strong pillar of our profession called as confidentiality. And I have to maintain the highest standard of the confidentiality, because आपके बॉस को कुछ पता चलेगा उसके पहले at the data entry or at the vouching level you get to know a lot of things about in and out of the transactions, situations at our office client's place. So be very, very careful regarding maintaining the confidentiality. One side page generally we use in our office like this, right? On other side we do rough work. But after that, disposing this is very important, because here I have jotted down some very important query of X, and tomorrow on the other side I went to the Y's place and started jotting down these points. X and Y are competitor. This shall be known to Y, which he is not supposed to know. So if I give you smallest example of a piece of a paper or a chit, and how does it affect to the concept of confidentiality. We have to ensure highest level of confidentiality during my articleship, क्योंकि सबसे पहली बार ये चीजें मेरे ध्यान में, मेरे जहन में आती है. I also have to accept the cultural differences. Do not get into the friendship with the client. No any benefit, non-monetary also, to be accepted from them. Don't destroy, cancel, spoil the copies of the books, paper, etc., which belongs to your client or the employer. And latest addition into this, social media. I'll not say don't use the mobile phone in the office, or I'll not say social media use mat karo. बट ऑफिस के लिए ही करो, लिमिटेड वे में करो, जो आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं करता है. For example, today I went into the factory where some JCB was doing the work. I click myself with the JCB, put up the photograph with the then one of the very famous hashtag related to the JCB, also put up a check-in of my client's place. No, why? Let not आपका बॉस कितनी मेहनत से ये काम लाया है. He doesn't want the others to know that he is working for this kind of a job. Why should you make a public announcement that you are working for X, Y, or Z place, or you are that at X, Y, Z place for the audit? No check-ins of the client's place, no hashtag audit diaries and putting up the photograph of the client's place. ऑडिट डायरी में शाम को घूमने गए ऑडिट प्लेस पे, उसको डालो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बट I have to make utmost confidentiality of things which I do for my clients, and no social media announcements of check-ins and certain other things. डॉक्टर, सीए, लॉयर, इन तीन के साथ ऐसा बोला जाता है भाई आपको कोई चीज सीक्रेट नहीं रखनी चाहिए, एंड दे रियली डोंट कीप इट, and we do keep their secrets. That's why they open up with us. So friends, confidentiality तो सबसे important, सबसे बड़ी बात है, उसका हमेशा ध्यान रखना है. दो चीज यहाँ पर मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा. मैनेजमेंट या संधि विच्छेद भाषा में होता है, हमने इंग्लिश भाषा में कर दिया. मैनेजमेंट इज ऑल अबाउट मैनेजिंग द पीपल, द टीम with you, around you. I always tell one story at this juncture that there was, a small kid who was not allowing his father to do the work. Mother has gone for some shopping or something like that. Father thought, how should I keep him busy? Give him toys, puzzles, this, that. He was able to fix up everything immediately. What did the father do? He took up a big piece of the newspaper on which there was a world map printed. दुनिया का नक्शा ऐसे न्यूज़पेपर के बड़े से पेज पे बना हुआ था. उन्होंने ले लिया, कटिंग करके दे दिया as if he was to fix up certain jigsaw puzzle. और बोला जब तक अभी दुनिया का नक्शा नहीं बनेगा आप पापा को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करोगे. Kid agreed. 5 minutes down the line, the kid came with the world map fixed. The small kid who doesn't know even there exists a subject called geography, who could place the world map right, fixed the world map correct into some 10 odd minutes. Father astonishedly asked, how did you do it, my dear son? Daddy, the page on which you gave me the world map, exactly on the back side of that newspaper page, there was a face of a man. I just set the man right. World got set automatically right. मैंने इंसान को सही कर दिया, दुनिया अपने आप सही हो गई. यही फंडा है टीम वर्क का. जितना अच्छे से आप आपके साथ वाले लोगों को साथ लेके अच्छे से चलोगे, आपका काम, आपकी दुनिया अपने आप इजी होती जाएगी. We are there to manage, not to damage. टेक केयर ऑफ दैट फैक्ट ऑल्सो. यूएसए, ये क्या होता है सर, जाने का वहां? हाँ भाई, नो, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट यूएसए, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस यूएसए. अंडरस्टैंड, सिंप्लीफाई एंड ऑटोमेट. If I give you one exercise right now that if I increase my expenditure by this much rupees, or my purchase by this much rupees, or my inventory valuation by this much rupees, what would be the effect of the same on my profit or taxation? Immediately you will be able to work out, yes, inventory valuation increases, GP increases, NP increases, remuneration, these, that, etc., etc., etc. There is the impact on the profit multiplied by 30% or tax rate. Immediately 5 minutes, or what 5 minutes or 30 seconds. How you did it in standard 11? No sir, I'll have to first pass the journal of the purchase, debit, what comes in, credit, what goes out, revenue, expenditure, capital expenditure, then posting, casting, trial balance, and I'll be able to tell you the effect on the profit. How did I able to do it immediately today? Just because of USA. What is that USA? You have understood the concept. You simplified the concept in your own personalized way, and that thing has become automated. Thing on one side of the balance sheet, how it is related to the another thing in the balance sheet, देखते ही मुझे पता चल जाता है कि भाई इसका क्या रेशियो पे असर होगा, क्या प्रॉफिट पे असर होगा. राइट? फायदा क्या हुआ यूएसए का? आज मेरा रैम फ्री हो गया नई चीज के लिए, बाकी डेबिट क्रेडिट रूल जो स्टैंडर्ड 11 में थे वो वही सेम रहेंगे अप टू सीए फाइनल, मर्जर अमालिगमेशन एग्जांपल्स और मे बी प्रैक्टिकल थिंग्स इन द ऑफिस, right? So I need to be very very careful in implementing this concept of USA in everything which I do. समझ में आ रहा है? जो भी काम करूंगा उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने में आई हैव टू डू यूएसए। आज जो नई बात सीखा उसको इतना ऑटोमेट मोड पे ले आने का कि कल दूसरी बात करनी हो तब आई एम हैविंग एब्सोल्यूट फ्री माइंड फॉर डूइंग द सेम। एंड व्हाट आई हैव लर्न यस्टरडे इज टुडे ऑन द यूएसए मोड। लिख के रखना दोस्तों, एक चीज बड़ा काम लगेगा लाइफ में, राइट? नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट इज ऑडिटिंग? इट्स अ प्रैक्टिकल और अ थ्योरी। हमारा क्या फंडा होता है? जो एग्जाम का पेपर हम कैलकुलेटर लेके देने जाते हैं, दैट्स अ प्रैक्टिकल फॉर अस, रेस्ट ऑल आर थ्योरी। लिखने वाला पेपर है, आप उसको थ्योरी भले ही बोलो बट इससे बड़ा प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट। नेक्स्ट 5-7 मिनट ऑडिटिंग के बारे में बात करेंगे और वीआर जी उसके बाद हम कंक्लूड करेंगे। आई नो आपने मुझे 5-20 का टाइम दिया हुआ है। ऑडिट से बड़ा प्रैक्टिकल विषय हमारे पूरे करिकुलम में कोई नहीं। आपका रोल क्या है वहां? दोस्तों, यू आर दी पॉइंट ऑफ ओरिजिन फॉर मी। वो स्टॉक काउंट करने गए थे, वहां कितना चीज कम था, ज्यादा था, बिन कार्ड में एंट्री था या नहीं, स्टॉक रजिस्टर ऑन सिस्टम में या कागज पे ढंग से बना था या नहीं, आप मेरे आंख और कान हो जो सबसे पहला पॉइंट ऑफ ऑडिटिंग करके आते हो। एंड देन ऑडिटिंग एंड रिपोर्टिंग एंड क्लैरिफिकेशन वुड स्टार्ट। और अगर ऑडिट की बात की जाए दोस्तों, तो पूरे देश में कोई अगर ऑडिट कर सकता है फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स का तो वो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स है। वी हैड बीन गिवन एक्सक्लूसिविटी टू डू द ऑडिटिंग till date, right? So that's what is auditing. Auditing and auditing you as a chartered accountant all about. In your screen you can see some 9 odd basic principles governing audit. I've got about 9 slides also to follow defining each one of them, but due to constraint of time I may go to the slide or not, but in very brief one line I'll be sharing with you about this each one of the basic principle. As clearly mentioned, it is getting back to the basics. चाहे कितनी भी बड़ी बात मर्जर एक्विजिशन की करो, बट शुरुआत कहाँ से होती है? डेबिट क्रेडिट रूल्स। तो चाहे आप कितना भी बड़ा ऑडिट करो, छोटे से छोटा एक प्रोप्राइटरशिप का ऑडिट करो, टैक्स ऑडिट करो, जीएसटी ऑडिट करो, कंपनी ऑडिट करो, कुछ भी ऑडिट करो, शुरुआत कहाँ से होती है? बेसिक्स, फंडामेंटल। और ये फंडामेंटल 9 ऐसे हैं जो पूरे ऑडिट का बेस है। Integrity, independence and objectivity. Honestly, favoring without favoring, with the absolute balanced independent approach, I am to audit and give my opinion based on which the stakeholders shall do decision making. शिवम जी अपने proposed shares जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं उसकी बैलेंस शीट वो पढ़ते हैं, तो वो कौन सी बैलेंस शीट प्रेफर करेंगे? ऑडिटेड वन। व्हाई? बिकॉज इट हैज बीन ऑडिटेड एंड ओपाइंड बाय अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट। एंड व्हाई पीपल डू बिलीव इट? बिकॉज द चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हैज डन हिज वर्क विद ग्रेट इंटीग्रिटी, इंडिपेंडेंटली। 1000 रुपए से ज्यादा का भी कंपनी के साथ डेट है तो मुझे वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं मानते। ऑडिटर के अपॉइंटमेंट के आपने कंडीशन पढ़े होंगे, राइट? सो दैट लेवल ऑफ द इंडिपेंडेंस दे एक्सेप्ट फ्रॉम एन ऑडिटर एंड ही इज टू डू extremely objective work. Confidentiality तो दोस्तों मैंने आगे भी आपको बताया, it is the most important pillar. Unless otherwise required by any law and regulation, I am not at all supposed to share any confidential thing of my client with anyone. Confidentiality बड़ी important चीज है और शुरुआत आपसे ही होनी है, बड़ा ध्यान रखना है। Skill and competence, this is something which I can always acquire because I am there to acquire the skill. As an article trainee I am talking to you here in the text of the standard बहुत सारी ज्ञान की बातें लिखी होगी, हमको उसके अंदर नहीं जाना है, बट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली स्किल एंड कॉम्पिटेंस लाना है। एक सिंपल सी बात करूं, मेरे सिलेबस में इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स का पेपर था जिसमें 20 मार्क का सर्विस टैक्स था, बाकी का कस्टम्स और एक्साइज था जिसके बारे में कभी हमने प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया। ऑफिस शुरू करने के बाद सर्विस टैक्स का प्रैक्टिस किया, GST आया 2017 में, we got a separate partner and a vertical to do the GST. I or none of my partner ever said that GST was not there in my syllabus. और मैंने तो 20,000 का ही एक सर्विस टैक्स पढ़ा था. How can I handle a service tax? The method of this training equipped me with that skill and competence. It is allowing me today to work on GST although I didn't study, and tomorrow to work on any act although I have not studied. Right? Work performed by others. Yes, it's a teamwork. Other people, other team member, other auditor, इन सभी के कामों को साथ लेके आगे चलना है. और एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट सा कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पर आता है, स्टैंडर्ड ऑडिटिंग से बाहर के ले जाके मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, वो क्या है? Delegation. As an article trainee, you will be delegated with a lot of things. Go and submit this paper to the income tax department. Sir, am I a peon? No, my dear friend, you are not a peon, but you need to go and understand the department. What is ward? What is the authority? बाकी जब तक वहां जाके देखोगे नहीं, तब तक पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि चीफ कमिश्नर के नीचे एडिशनल कमिश्नर, ज्वाइंट कमिश्नर, डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर एंड असिस्टेंट कमिश्नर, ये चार के अंदर सीनियर कौन और किताब में पढ़ोगे या वहां जाके देख लोगे? जो देखा होगा वो कभी नहीं भूलोगे, किताब में होगा वो आपको क्रैम करना पड़ेगा. तो आपको एक छोटा काम दिया जाता है, उससे मुंह ना आंखें ना फेरो और जाके अपॉर्चुनिटी लो कि भाई मैं आज डिपार्टमेंट गया, आज एक कागज सबमिट करने डिपार्टमेंट जाओगे, कल जो क्लर्क को आपने डिपार्टमेंट ने कागज सबमिट किया होगा वो भी कमिश्नर या इंस्पेक्टर बनेगा और आप भी सीए बनोगे, वहां से दोस्ती बनेगी. आज मैंने आर्टिकलशिप में जहां जहां कंकरेंट ऑडिट किया था वो सारे क्लर्क्स मैनेजर बन के बैठे हैं, और as and when I go and do some work with them, I feel a great comfort with them because my boss sent me to the bank for a number of time. I took it as an opportunity and make understanding of the bank very nicely, and of course nobody stops you from making good relationships, right? So delegation से कभी भी आंखें न चुराओ. डॉक्यूमेंटेशन दोस्तों, अगर अभी मैंने इन्वेंट्री की बात की थी उसी को कंटिन्यू करते हैं. राइट? एक कंपनी है तो कभी उसके इन्वेंट्री में क्या आता है? रॉ मटेरियल, फिनिश गुड्स एंड WIP, and we are extremely concerned about the same. What is my raw material, WIP and finished goods in the chartered accountants? Pages or the spreadsheet or the data? जो कागज पे ऑडिट प्रोग्राम बनाया, जहां पर वर्किंग पेपर लेके आए और आपने फाइनल ऑडिट रिपोर्ट लिया, ये तीनों का फॉर्मेट तो एक ही है, आइदर अ पीस ऑफ पेपर or nicely drafted report or something in the soft copy. So if I as a chartered accountant be extremely worried about the raw material, WIP and finished goods of my client, I should be equally careful about raw material, WIP and finished goods of my office. That would be in the form either digital or physical. 2 साल के बाद कोई नोटिस आता है और वो कागज चाहिए तो ऑफिस में आपका नाम ऐसे लिया जाना चाहिए कि फला फला लड़के ने अपने आर्टिकलशिप में ये फाइल बनाई थी 2017-18 की, कागज उसमें सही. वैसे आपको एक मेमोरी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन की बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस की ऑफिस में छोड़ के जाना है. देयर इज नो अल्टरनेटिव ऑफ प्लानिंग. आज लेक्चर शुरू होने से पहले भी हमने एक बार देखा हाउ डज द सिस्टम वर्क. VRG has also been doing this with a great level of the planning and all. So unless you do the proper planning, you cannot do a great execution. So be very, very careful in minutely planning the things. Last 2-3 मिनट VRG 5:30 तक करेंगे कंटिन्यू.
Yes sir.
जी हाँ, ओके. ओके, सो ऑडिट एविडेंस डॉक्यूमेंटेशन क्या है? बड़ी चीज. उसके अंदर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन विल प्रूव व्हाट आई हैव डन माय वर्क विद डिलिजेंस एंड केयर. सर ने बोला था उतना ऑडिट किया, 12 महीने का परचेज का ऑडिट किया तो मैंने सारी चीज लिख लिया, बट वो 12 महीने के परचेज के एंट्री में 4 बिल का क्रेडिट लेना रह गया है, 4 बिल के अंदर क्लरिकल एरर है. तो ये सारा चीज रिपोर्टिंग करोगे तब जो कागज के बेस पर इसका रिपोर्टिंग करोगे वो क्या बनेगा? आपका SAAE, सफिशिएंट अप्रोप्रिएट ऑडिट एविडेंस. कल आप बोल रहे हो आपने गलती किया है तो वो गलती को सपोर्ट प्रूव करने के लिए मेरे पास एक ऑडिट एविडेंस चाहिए. So I should be able to go to the next step of the documentation out of these numbers of the document, which is the audit evidence sufficient and appropriate. उसके टाइप क्या होते हैं और उसको ऑब्टेन करने के मेथड्स क्या होते हैं. अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट क्लियरली लिखा रहता है हमारे ऑडिट रिपोर्ट में भी, मैनेजमेंट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड ऑडिटर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. तो ये सारा काम अच्छे से मैनेजमेंट ने किया है या नहीं, उसके ऊपर मैं ओपिनियन दूंगा, कमेंट करूंगा. एंड लास्टली कमेंट कहां करूंगा, ओपिनियन कहां दूंगा? इन दी ऑडिटर्स रिपोर्ट, नीटली ड्राफ्टेड, नो एम्बिग्यूटी, इन दी फॉर्मेट provided by the respective law and regulation. Different types of reports are there, and one point of difference here I would like to bring to your notice is there is a difference in report and certificate. Report is an opinion, certificate is an absolute assurance. वो चीज आपको ध्यान रखना है. ऐसे 200 मैं नहीं जाना चाहता डिटेल में. These are the different type of audit. These are the different type of audit one can do. So whatever are the type of audit and work you are interested with, ensure to gain proper knowledge and comply with the same. Plan, do, before acting, check. This is what is the important thing. And the last slide, can you see the pyramid? Discomfort जोन बड़ा होता है, उससे कंफर्ट का जोन थोड़ा छोटा हो जाएगा, और ऊपर जाएंगे there would be the zone of the pain, and excellence would be on the top. So I at this juncture would like to wish all of you all the very best, and pray to the God that everybody achieves this level of the excellence. I thanks one more time, many times, to Virag and his team for giving me an opportunity to interact with on this platform and connect with you many people across the country. Thank you very much. For any other point personally, you can connect to me anytime. Thank you very much. My Instagram handle etc I mentioned here, and this is all from my side. Thank you. Back to the organizer, Virag bhai.
Thank you, sir. Sir, please show that slide again about the contact details, so participant can note one more time. Friends, if you have any question or any query, kindly post in the question tab. We will ask you the sir on your behalf. One question came up, sir, from Soumya Patra. What basic knowledge should we have before joining articleship?
I expect no knowledge. I expect a basic sincerity, basic knowledge about the awareness about the accounting and auditing. That's enough. And readiness to learn, decode the things yourself, differentiate. If you are today, you are intermediate pass, your boss will ask you, you know tax audit? You'll say yes. But how much tax audit was there in my intermediate syllabus? 2 pages. 44 AB books of accounts, 44 AB limit of the tax audit, 3 pages of a book over, and I said yes. So now I should be ready to get knowledge of this from the past record, senior, and do 1, 2, 3 steps and put before the boss. Rest 7 steps, somebody will handhold me. But I'm not ready to take step number 1. Nobody will take you further. So basic readiness, Soumya, अगर आपके पास होगा, आगे काम बड़ा अच्छा से जाएगा. Not a problem.
Right. So Soumya, just basic knowledge required at present. Any other question from any participants? They can ask. If required, we will unmute you. We have 5 questions. Sir, one slide required. The PPT will be shared with you, friends. So no, not required again to show the slide. Sir will share the presentation, and we will mail you to all the participants as well. Any query, if you have, you can directly ask. Apart from presentation will be shared with the participants. Anybody has any question, or we can wind up? You all have a recorded, taken the number of sir and all other social media as well. So sir has a, you can directly reach in future as well if you have query because there are many participants at present, but many will watch on YouTube and other recorded webinar also on our cloud base also, when we'll send recording to all the registered participants. So around 250 participants, we will send the recording as well. One question from Mansi Darji: should we join Big Four or mid-size firm? That is a basic question for many. So
With due respect,
for
and no anything or bias for anybody, but a mid-sized firm is more advisable. But if you really want yourself targeted to be placed in such a big four, and if you want to only do that kind of the work, then that should be the target. What you want to do, job, practice, have a clarity of that little bit, and then you must select a firm. A mid-sized firm, I'll suggest, very personal view of mine, should be a better option to start an application.
right. Thank you, sir. So one more and last question we'll take from Kota Karthik. Sir, should we learn any financial courses or module like SAP FICO, SAP FICO during a CA articleship? That is a requirement?
Yes, it is available. You will be automatically learning. Like Tally, we have never learned it formally, although it was there in our 100 hours ITT training. So similarly, if the SAP and everything is there at a client's place, as I've told exactly, at a cost of the boss and at a cost of the client, you all would be learning the basics. Yes. Then in my job, my employer is having this SAP. It is his responsibility to teach you. Unless you want to become a SAP consultant or an implementer or something like that, no separate requirement of learning the SAP automatically during the course of audit and job later on. I think one will be able to learn it.
Right. So I think we can conclude. There are a few more questions, but we'll take separately that. Would like to request Shivam Sharma, our friend as well as a founder at Being Bullish, CA student as well. So would request Shivam to give a formal vote of thanks to our today's guest speaker, CA Nayan Kothari sir, a past chairman Baroda branch. So over to you, Shivam.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Virag sir. And I'd like to thank Connect Easy. I would like to thank CA Virag sir to give me this opportunity to present a heartiest vote of thanks to CA Nayan Kothari sir, the past chairman of Vadodara branch. I'd like to present a heartiest vote of thanks to you, sir, for presenting your views on ABCD of articleship. Like, let me be really honest. I'm not an article assistant right now. I'm yet to appear for my intermediate exams. I got to learn so many things that now when I'll be, visiting firms, I'll have these things kept in my mind. And it was a really amazing and informative session, sir. Looking forward to have such amazing sessions with you in the future as well.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, all the participants, for asking your question and making it interactive. Thank you, Nayan sir, for this wonderful session and the wonderful presentation. You included so many things in the presentation. A very, very designer presentation, we can say, from starting from the ABCD and 3 years of hard work, articleship, to 30 years of successful CA career. So from that to the end of your contact details, every slide is a work would like to share with all the participants and will take from you. So thank you so much once again, sir, for your time and for your all the efforts, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir. Bye-bye.
Friends, we are logging off here. Thank you all.